Hey everyone, welcome back to Movies Allies. Today we will be discussing Spider-Man No Way Home trailer and updates regarding that trailer. So recently there was a speculation regarding Spider-Man No Way Home that its trailer will be released on 1st June. 1st June was Tom Holland's birthday and fans thought Marvel will follow their Shang-Chi schedule. Marvel released Shang-Chi trailer on Simu Liu's birthday. He plays Shang-Chi in the movie and Marvel released the trailer on his birthday. And that is what fans speculated about Spider-Man No Way Home 2. But obviously we all were wrong, but today we have some new leaks and news regarding Spider-Man No Way Home's trailer. But before discussing that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are a Marvel fan, be sure to subscribe as we always talk about Marvel here. So Marvel has officially released at least the first look of every movie and show that is coming in 2021. Except Spider-Man No Way Home, Marvel has not released any official look regarding that movie. And also we haven't seen any set photos or set leaks from that movie's set. We have already seen a ton of set photos from other Marvel properties like Thor Love and Thunder. We also saw some set photos from Hawkeye show and some from She-Hulk show. By the way, Mark Ruffalo is confirmed for She-Hulk. He will be appearing in She-Hulk show as Professor Hulk. In this set photo, we can see him all dressed up in motion capture suit. Marvel will obviously apply CGI later, but he is Professor Hulk in the show. He will be giving blood transfusion to Jennifer Walters and then she will become She-Hulk. In comics, she is not powerful than Hulk, but she retained her intelligence even after becoming Hulk. While Bruce Banner initially didn't, but now he has his intelligence and Hulk's body too. So we have kinda lost the original Hulk personality from Thor Ragnarok and other Avengers movies. Last time we saw him in Avengers Infinity War and after that we haven't seen him in a while. In Avengers Endgame, Bruce Banner was completely speaking from Hulk body. It wasn't our original Hulk. So that is kinda sad. Hopefully Marvel brings him back. So let's move back to our original topic and look at this picture. We can see the name of the movies and their teaser trailer release date. It has Spider-Man No Way Home name in it and the trailer is releasing on June 10th. I mean, anybody can do a good job at Photoshop and make some of these images, but they look pretty real and it seems like a big news. Tom Holland said himself on his Instagram that he has some Spider-Man stuff to show to the people. He might be indicating towards No Way Home trailer, and because trailer is dropping on June 10th, that is why he is talking about it right now. Otherwise, Marvel and Sony does not let him know anything. They know he will spoil things and they don't tell him anything unnecessary. He knows only about the things that are happening very soon, and that might be Spider-Man No Way Home trailer. That is why he was hinting it in his Instagram. Sony Pictures has distributed the trailer to the theaters and studio only does that when they are all set to drop the trailer at least a week later, and it's been more than a week since theaters have Spider-Man No Way Home trailer. Marvel and Sony might be waiting for Loki first episode to release and then they will drop Spider-Man No Way Home trailer. They want all eyes and discussions on Loki right now. They don't want fans to be distracted by anything else. So that might be the reason release date is exactly 10th June, one day after Loki's first episode. A source named George Thanos is claiming the responsibility for the trailer to drop on 10th June. If it doesn't, he will be responsible for that. He also said that he received this news from a source who gave him the plot leak, post-credit scenes and release date regarding Spider-Man Far From Home. So it might be pretty legit, as he said that trailer is on June 10th. But if it doesn't, we don't need to be sad as it will be around the corner, as we all know it is already distributed in the theaters. And if you are expecting Spider-Verse to be in the teaser trailer, you might be disappointed. Marvel might not reveal Spider-Verse till the release of the movie. It all depends on how big the role of Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield is in the movie. If their role is big and they are in major part of the movie, then Marvel will reveal Spider-Verse in early teasers and trailers. Marvel and Sony will want every bit of promotion they can get by putting Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield name in the movie, if their role is big enough. But if their role is just a cameo, then Sony might not use them in their promotions. They will directly surprise the fans in theaters with cameo. So that is it for today guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Till then, peace.